Hello guys, this is your reporter Sean Cedric J. Asmo.
We're going to SM.
Where are you going, sir?
SM.
SM, how much for the fee?
Um, like 10 pesos.
10 pesos for the fee? Wow, that is so cheap.
Okay,
So,
ready now.
here guys, we have a rainy weather. You see? And there's some people on some tricycle minding their own business. And hello, Ma'am Sophie. Ma'am Sophie, what can you say about the cheap fare? Is it good for you or
Yes.
bad? Is it good?
Golden.
Explain why it's good for you.
Because
What, ma'am?
I buy some ice cream.
Okay, you sir, is it good to get a low fare from the customers?
Yeah, okay, I'll repeat. I just saw Sophie got a stir and she tried to smoke and hide it. And I cannot
Oh.
find.
Okay, thank you sir. Thank you for your time and moving on.
Okay.
We have some guys over here that is, I think, middle age. So 1, 2, 3, go! Hello guys, hello po. Magandang umaga po, magandang umaga. Magandang umaga sir. Ano po masasabi niyo sir?
Ang gwapo ko.
Ano sir?
Ang gwapo ko.
Sir, ano masasabi niyo po sa maulang Pasko ngayon? Ikaw sir, ano masasabi mo sa maulang Pasko?
Masasabi ko lang po, utangin mo.
Ay, gano'n ang kanilang sagot mga kaibigan. At yung bike ko guys. Yung bike ko guys, maulang Pasko. Okay, 1, 2. Hello ma'am. How are you ma'am?
Balloon.
Balloon? Wait. My camera.
Do that speaking English.
Oh, that's
Balloon.
more like it.
Balloon.
One more.
Balloon. Not as slime. Slime so smelly.
Is it
This is different slime.
Hey baby,
Don't
say hi. Dance. Sophie dance.
Son, I found it.
What?
She's hiding something.
What? What sir? What is
No.
she hiding?
No,
Oh,
she's
sheesh!
It's so big.
It's cigar!
That's,
Sophie's cigar!
yeah.
Oh my gosh!
We are taking.
Where did you get this, ma'am? This is an illegal substance.
We're taking them to the police. We're taking.
Go! Go in the tricycle. We're going to take you to the police.
Yeah.
Why not? You have a illegal substance. Please arrest him, sir. Arrest him, officer.
Arrest. Dito tayo. Go.
Oh, candles. This is the illegal substance called cigar, and it is made from tobacco. You see that?
Sir.
Nice.
Sir. Okay, you are now arrested for cervica. Yeah, that's bad substance.
Yes, it's an illegal substance.
Alright.
Okay, guys, moving on.
I just kissed it. The jello.
Sir, let's go to the SM mall.
Alright.
Let's go, sir. So this is my ride. We're going to the supermarket to get some stuff, and we're going to back to broadcasting the news. Thank you.
Nasa 43 na.
We're 40 speeds right now, 40 kilometer per hour. It is the average speed for a tricycle. Wow, we're going so fast. It exceeds the average average speed of a average tricycle driver. Tricycle. Tricycle. We're on 150 kilometer per hour while driving in the national highway in San Carlos Street. So I'm going to interview I'm going to interview our driver Sad Ember. Sir, how fast this tricycle can get?
160.
Oh, it's a 160 kilometer per hour motor. And what type of engine does it have?
It's a 1.5 horsepower,
Oh,
and then it's a very strong that can drive you anyway.
that's nice, sir. How much did you spend on this tricycle?
Maybe like 40,000.
40,000. That's a whopping 40 bands. So, take me back to the headquarters, sir. Take me back to the headquarters.
Okay.
So, we're going fast. That we exceeds the normal average of a tricycle. And that's 40 kilometers per hour. We're going at 150 kilometers per hour speed while in the national highway. So, I guess it's safe because, oh shit, who's this? Who's this?
It's a mouse!
It's a zombie! Ay, yuck! Ay, ew!
Muntik na akong nabangga!
Oh!
Oh!
Muntikan na kami navanga!
Nahulog niya ang cigar.
Oh no! The cigar! It's broken. Yuck!
Stop it! I'm not gonna stop because
Okay now, stop sir. Okay, now we're back to the headquarters. Excuse me ma'am, I'm going...
How about we
Excuse me,
write
ma'am.
something? Hey, how about we write something fun?
Okay sir.
In the racing contest.
Oh, we're going to race
I wanna go.
tricycles right now.
I wanna go.
Oh, come on. Get in.
Get in.
We're going so fast that we exceeds the normal average tricycle. It's about 40 kilometers per hour, but now we're at 150 kilometers per hour, and we're look at that turbo. You see that engine? It's super cool, super front, super cool, super everything. We're at first right now, but second is near, and I think we're going to win it because we're kilometers apart. I think 2 to 3 kilometers apart. So I think we're going to win this. Oh, let's go! We're gonna win! Yes, let's go, guys. We won. What are you gonna say, ma'am? What are you gonna say? We won the national racing tricycle contest.
I'm going too fast, and then when I start driving around, I just practice every day on this.
Wow. Where did you get this tricycle from?
The Tricycle.com.
Wow. So, did anyone want to buy this other than you?
Yeah, I mean, look.
Oh. So, did you win this in a
World
bidding
record.
contest?
Yeah.
Oh.
And
How much did you bid?
there is world record.
Oh. This is the fastest tricycle in the world, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's called a turbo tricycle.
Turbo tricycle. Its brand is Honda.
Let me see.
Nice. GL125 Honda Turbo. This is the best modified tricycle. Now, thank you, sir, for giving your time, and we're going now.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Wait, where's the money?
Oh, here, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Let's go, ma'am. Commercial break. Alam niyo ba? Ay, yeah. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Commercial break. The new model of the Yamaha 31,000 Turbo. It has a sleek mode, super duper sleek.
Anybody want it to ride? Anybody want it to ride?
This is its front. Ano to? Surge color energy.
Okay, where do you want to ride? Okay, we're going to
Alin? Ah. Ha? Wait, punta ako dyan. Ben, doon ka lang. Doon ka lang. Ben, doon ka lang. What is that, sir? What? What? Oh, siya ko lang Ben, guys. Sila Kuya Calvin. Oh, Bibi, balik, bilis. Bagpit ka, Bibi. Ikaw naman. Hello, sir. Welcome back, sir.
Okay, we're going to the Salon again.
Wow. We're going back to Solano?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Let's go. So, where are we going first?
In the SM, and next
SM.
in the Nueva Vista, and next the Salon.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sir. This is the fastest tricycle I've ever seen. What? Oh, sheesh! That is a fantastic turbo right there, guys. It exceeds 60 kilometers per hour in a matter of seconds. This can beat a Honda Civic Type R 2019. It has even 3 triangles in it. It means it has 3 triangles. Sir. What is this? What is this for? Another engine?
No,
That's where you put all of your stuff.
no, it's where you put a hidden secret item.
Whoa, that is so cool, sir. Thank you for letting us know. We're super fast that we are exceeding the normal average speed of a tricycle motor, and now I think we're going to beat the speed of light. The speed of light is about 1 million Mach speed. And what?
My tricycle is one Google.
One Google?
Yeah.
Wow! Is this made by Google?
Yeah, it's
That is so.
made by the Universe God.
Wow! What?
Made by the Universe God.
Oh shoot! That is the best thing I've ever heard. So, are we near Solano?
Not yet.
Not yet.
We're in still.
Oh.
I'll spin it like airplane.
Guys, we're going to exceed the speed of a commercial jet airplane, the Boeing 475. So, are we near now?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, it's only about a minute and we are near at Solano.
Okay, I'm going to fill
This
my
is
gas.
crazy.
I'm going to fill my gas.
We're going to fill our gas because, sir, how many liters does this tricycle tank do need to be about filled? To be about full, ha? Yun.
It's about 100,000.
100,000 liters?
Yeah.
That is a hella massive tank for a tricycle for a
Okay,
tricycle.
already filled.
So, sir, how do you think this tricycle weight?
This wave.
Weight. It's about
2,000.
One Google.
One Google plate.
1 Google.
Kilometers.
Oh,
It can go to the universe, multiverse in infinity.
Wow. So, sir, did you use this tricycle to travel around the universe?
Yeah,
So, where did you go first, sir?
because when I was a kid, I have this tricycle yet, and then when I'm 18, I have already only practice this and then get the premium of the light speed and godly things in there. And now I'm a super tricycle.
Wow. So, sir, did you reach Pluto?
Yeah.
Oh, that. How far? How many minutes or hours
the
did you?
most far planet is Taichi.
Whoa.
It's this is how long it is. It is 1 trillion from the Earth cloud.
Wow. So how many minutes did this tricycle get to reach that far? Ha? Sabi mo kay nanay. Go, sir.
Into Google speed, into million speed, into thousand speed.
Wow, sir. So that means only 5 minutes to reach the farthest planet. That's amazing, guys. So
We're going to reach the Andromeda Galaxy.
thank you, sir, for the interview. We're going back to the fortress. Thank you, sir. Let's go now, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Tatayin mo na si Ading.
May nag-use ng bathroom?
Hala, sino? Nanay? Wait. Call nanay. Nanay? Ay, nandito si nanay. Tatayin daw si Isha. Papasok ko na, Isha. Tanggalin mo na.